Hello, hello. How you doing? I am doing really good. I have got video number 2 for today. Happy Friday. I hope yesterday I did a video and I was actually like, yay, happy Friday. Well, it was Thursday. Ding dong, I am. So today is Friday. Happy Friday. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. I would love to know if you've got anything going on this weekend, maybe family visiting, any summer plans with the kiddos. Love to know what you got going on. My unboxing, I don't have anything going on this weekend, by the way. Just a quiet weekend, hopefully. I like quiet. The unboxing I have for this afternoon is from QVC, and they ran a special, a Christmas in July special, and they released this flippin' awesome advent calendar. I am beyond excited to get into this. I got a little taste on their website as to what is in it, but I didn't look very detailed. I just kind of buzzed through it really quickly. I got it on special for like $50, and then there was like a 6 easy pay on it. So they only had it available for a little while because it sold out pretty quickly. But here it is, this huge thing. Now when you open it up, let's try to get this. Each little compartment has, it's perforated. Is that how you say it? Perforated? And you push these in. Push it in to get this stuff out. So hopefully I will do my best to get through this video without taking forever. And we will go through one by one and see all the exciting stuff we got. Now, there is 24 different items in here for the 24 days of Christmas, or 24 days in leading up to Christmas in December. Now, there was a part of me that said, I'm like, maybe I'll wait and I'll put this away and save it for Christmas. But you know what? I can't do that. It is Christmas in July, so I've got to open it now and go through everything. So that's what I'm going to do. So let's get right to it. And hopefully, like I said, this won't take too long, but I've got to tear into everything, and I'll try not to. Oh, cool. Okay, I see how this works. So the first thing in number 1 is, and I've gotten this before, and I really like it. It's by Tropez, and it is a self-tan spray. And then it also comes with a mitt. So I have this set already. So I'm probably going to put this in one of my giveaways. But that's okay. So that was day number 1. Let's see number 2. Number 2 is by Allure Cosmetics. Allure Cosmetics. It's a vitamin C and collagen under eye mask pads. Moisturizing. 1 pair of moisturizing eye mask pads. It's very nice. I will use those tonight. And 3. I really hope we get a really good value for this box. Ooh, I'm excited. This stuff I love. It's by It Cosmetics, if I can get it out. It doesn't want to come out. There we go. It Cosmetics. This is their secret sauce. Now, I've gotten this before, the secret sauce. This moisturizer is incredible. It goes on, and here's the inside. It's a really nice, light moisturizer, and it works so well. It's their It Cosmetics. It goes along with their like Confidence in a Cream line, but I got this with their cleansing water, their miracle water, and I loved it. So the secret sauce is definitely a winner. Number 4 is Tarte Cosmetics. Lights, Camera, Lashes. Now, I've gotten this before, but I have not tried it. So I'll be excited to hold on to this and give it a try because, like I said, I've gotten it before, but I've put it in my previous giveaways. So I did not keep it. So far, we're doing pretty good. Number 5 is, First Aid Beauty Coconut Skin Smoothie Primer Moisturizer. Now, this, I have gotten this before, and I absolutely love it. Smells like coconut, and it smells so yummy. And it goes on so nice. Smells so good. I love that. Another great thing we got. So that was number 5. Let's see what number 6 is. This is by Mally. It's an eye color shadow stick. Okay. So the packaging is really pretty. Here's the packaging. You can see that. And then here's the stick. It's a very light nude, natural color. I'm not going to swatch it because I have other colors like this, so I may end up putting this in one of my giveaways. So let's find number 7. Okay, so number 7 is, I think, another tanner. Ooh, it doesn't want to come out. No, it doesn't want to come out. Well, that does not want to come out. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. So this is from Mind Tan, and it is another pump tanner in the color olive. Now, I've used stuff from Mind Tan before, and I did really, really like it. And I think it's really cool that QVC is kind of sticking to more of a summer theme and not going too crazy with winter stuff, because I like the summer theme. Number 8. Let's get this out. This is by Peter Thomas Roth. And it's a power serum. I love me a power serum. Ooh, that feels nice. Let's see if it's for the face or for the eyes or... Doesn't say. Clinical skin repair. Apply to clean, dry skin twice a day. Okay. I know that's an incredible brand, so I do not mind that at all. So let's see, we've got to find number 9. Number 9. Here it is. It's a little one. Ooh, it looks like a perfume. Really cute little perfume. Let's see what this is. Nope, glasses again. Nirvana by Tova. Oh, that's pretty. What does that smell like? It's got a little musky smell to it. I can smell some vanilla in there. That's really pretty. And you know what somebody told me? I was chatting on my comment section with her about it again today. That here's a little thing with perfume. She told me if you taste the perfume, and it will react to your body's pH. And if it tastes good, then it will smell good on you. If it tastes bad, then it's going to counter-react with your body's pH and not smell good on you. So this tastes really bad. So I'm assuming this is not going to go well with my body's pH. I don't know how true it is, but I figured it's worth a try. Now, moving on. Number 10. Ooh, Dr. Dennis. Hydra Shield Ultra Moisturizing Face Serum. And it comes with the little dropper bottle. Ooh, I love this this brand of product. It is, I have a whole skincare set from Dr. Dennis and I absolutely love it. I've got a microdermabrasion and a moisturizer, and I absolutely love the Dr. Dennis line. Let's find number 11. Oh, it looks like a hand cream by La Octane. And it's a hand moisturizer. Very nice. 12. Where's number 12? Here we go. Ooh. The Sculptor by Beauty Bio. I'm a ding-dong sometimes. Skin Firming Body Cream. Oh my goodness, how awesome. I could use me Skin Firming Body Cream. Very awesome. 13. 13's a big one. Oh, it's a face mask. Hydrating hand mask. Oh my gosh, look at that. Le Mini Macaron. This is so funny. Vanilla Almond Hand Mask. And it comes with these little gloves that you put on your hands. Oh, how cool. Definitely loving that. 14. Ooh, looks like a good one. And it's something by Philosophy. Amazing Grace. Is this shampoo or is this body? Shampoo, bath, and shower gel. Oh, okay. And this, I know this smells awesome. I've used their products before. Okay, now 15. Oh, by Clinique. Oh, it's a perfume and Happy. I've heard this perfume is so nice. I think it's a perfume. Yes. Look at how cute that is. I have been wanting to try this perfume. Oh my gosh, that smells incredible. Oh my gosh, I love this perfume. It smells beautiful, beautiful. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, 16. 16. By Adesi. Age-defying nail treatment essentials. Age-defying nail treatment. Oh, wow. Huh. Look at that. Well, that's cool. I think I might give that to my mother-in-law. She'll really like that. 17. Whiskey Fix. Styling Paste Dry Bar. Pate. Never heard of anything like that before. But I like the name Whiskey Fix. Okay. All right, so it's a styling paste. Oh, and it smells good. It's got like a coconut smell to it. Now, 16. Oh, no. All right. 18. I was off on those. What am I missing? This one's not going to want to come out. Hold on. Okay, I got it. So this is Doll 10. And it's a lipstick. Look at that color. Ooh. Feels so nice. Ooh, I like that. Okay, 19. We're almost done, I promise. This is by Georgette Klinger. Honey Cleansing Gel. So here's that. Let's smell it. Oh, that smells nice. Ooh. 20. Ooh, there's 2 of them in 20. I'm going to need my glasses. Let's see. This is by Crepe Erase. Yes. Flaw Fix Refining Lip Polish and Flaw Fix Intensive Lip Treatment. Ooh, look at those. Here, let me do this. Very, very cool. I absolutely love Crepe Erase. It is such an outstanding brand. 21. They're getting bigger as we go. Smile Actives. Oh, I think it's like tooth whitening. That's really cool, and it's a good size. Look at that. Ooh, I'll have to use that. 22. We're almost done. Westmore Beauty. Oh, wow. Westmore Beauty. What is this? Here's the... Westmore Beauty. Is this a mascara? No. I don't know what it is. Hold on, let me find it. Okay, I figured it out. It is a brow gel. So, here is the end. It's got a little wand on it. And it's an on-the-go, like a brow gel thing. But Westmore Beauty is an outstanding brand. Oh, and it comes with this, the little spoolie. So I'm assuming you put it on your brows and then use the spoolie to spread it out. Very nice. I will definitely try that. Now, let's see. We're on 23. Almost done. Ooh, we've got a set of pop band. And y'all know how I wear my hair up all the time. This is perfect. Very cool. And last but not least, number 24. Genius Liquid Collagen by Algenist. That's really nice. Genius Liquid Collagen. Created using patented technologies, this liquid formula contains hyaluronic acid, a unique patented naturally occurring compound from microalgae. Very, very nice. So, this was flippin' awesome. I absolutely love everything I got, and I just want to make sure I covered everything I did. All of this stuff is incredible. I would hold it all up for you, but I can't because there is so much. But I'm definitely very happy. I think only a couple of things I'm going to add to my giveaway just because the rest I will absolutely use. I'm super excited about everything I got. I think that was such a fun thing to do and unbox. I really enjoyed it. Let me know what you think. I know this is a super long video. Well, for me, because I try to keep my videos at about a 10 minute, give or take. So we're at 24 minutes now. So I know that's a little much. But thanks for hanging out with me all this time. I truly appreciate you. That is it. I will not keep you here much longer. Don't forget, I've got that giveaway going on. It's my subscriber appreciation giveaway. And it's because I appreciate you so much. I will put the link up here. And if you have not subscribed already, please subscribe. That way I will keep doing my videos and keep them going. Click my bobblehead to subscribe. Thank you so much. You have a wonderful weekend. I will talk to you soon. Bye.